Dad! What are you doing? Leave my dad alone right now!
Please stay back, everyone. Step back and give us room.
Sir, keep your hands behind your back while we proceed.
Look over there. Isn't that Daniel being arrested by police?
Daddy!
No! Don't take my daddy away!
Hey, little buddy. Stop right there. Everything is gonna be okay. Oh no, Daniel. What on earth is happening right now?
Make sure you record this. Everyone needs to see this video.
My heart is beating so fast. This cannot be real.
Watch your head as you step toward the vehicle, sir. Don't worry, Sophie. Everything is going to be completely fine.
How can you say that, Dad? You didn't do anything wrong.
Get ready to step inside the rear seat now, sir.
You are doing great, Daniel. Hold on just a moment. Thank you, officer. I trust the plan completely.
Wait a minute. Why did she just give him a thumbs up?
Stand clear of the vehicle while we close the doors.
Why would an officer encourage someone she just handcuffed?
Let's turn back the clock 4 hours to see what happened.
Welcome everyone to our annual Community Fun Fair. Have fun today!
Look at my tiger face paint! This is the best day ever!
Put on your helmets, kids. Get ready for the big race. Hello, kids. Come check out our safety gear and fire trucks today.
Let me lift this heavy table for you, Mr. Reed.
Great job, Daniel. The park looks absolutely fantastic today.
Look, Leo, we need 3 more stamps to win a prize. Look, Sophie. I am a real police officer now. See my hat?
Hi, kids. Come over here to learn how police officers protect you. Hey, Daniel, do you have a quick moment to speak with us?
Sure thing, Officer Mia. How can I help you today? We are planning a special surprise safety demonstration for the children.
We want to show kids what to do if they see an emergency.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. How can I participate? We need a trusted community volunteer to play the cooperative role in a mock arrest.
Count me in. Anything to help keep our neighborhood children safe.
Perfect. It will teach kids never to interfere with police officers during duty.
Sounds great. What time do you need me in the central arena?
Attention, everyone. The main safety demonstration is about to begin right now.
Yay! Let's go watch the police officers on stage.
Whew, these craft supplies are heavier than I expected.
Let me help you carry those boxes to the tent, Mom. I am super strong. I can carry the drinks for everyone. Did you hear something on the loudspeaker over there, Mom?
It's probably just the music starting, sweetie. Let me hurry up.
Today we are demonstrating how police officers perform standard procedures safely.
Please remember that what you are about to see is purely a demonstration.
I am ready when you are, officers. Let's show them.
What is happening over there? Did something just start? Finally finished. Let's go find Dad and see his booth.
In a real scenario, officers must secure the scene quickly and safely.
Sir, keep your hands behind your back while we secure you.
Wait, is that Dad? Why are police grabbing him right now? Daddy! Why are the police officers hurting my daddy?
What is going on? Why is Daniel being held by police? Did you see that? He was handcuffed right in front of everyone. I thought Daniel was a good man. What a terrible shame. Stop! My dad is innocent. He didn't do anything wrong.
Please stay back, young lady. Everything is under complete control here.
You made a mistake. My dad is a good man and a hero.
Please remain calm, everyone. Keep a safe distance from the car.
Where are they taking him? We have to go save Dad.
Mom, we need to tell them he is innocent. Say something.
Sweetie, I am sure there is an explanation for this.
Did you see what Dad did? He didn't break any rules.
Sorry, kiddo. I only saw the police handcuffing him just now.
Think, Sophie. Why did that officer give Dad a thumbs up? They were smiling at each other. That makes no sense at all.
Attention, everyone. May I please have your attention at the stage?
Listen, the police officer is going to explain what just happened.
We want to clarify that what you just witnessed was a safety demonstration.
What? It was just a demonstration? Oh, thank goodness.
Surprise, everyone! I was helping our police officers demonstrate safety training.
Daniel volunteered to help teach children how to stay safe during emergencies.
Dad, you were not arrested. You were helping them all along.
My daddy is a hero. He is the best helper ever. Daddy, we were so worried about you. I love you.
I am so sorry for scaring you, my brave little heroes.
You had me so worried, Daniel. But you did great.
We are so sorry for jumping to conclusions, Daniel. Great job.
Never judge a situation before knowing the full story, my friends.
Wow! Look at all the cool buttons inside the police car.
Here you go, future Officer Leo. Turn on the flashing lights.
I am so proud of you, Dad. You are my true hero. Thank you, everyone, for making our Community Safety Day a success.